Weather may not be hot, but my new listing 6306 Glen Meadows in Lisgar community is a hot, sizzling listing. Hi friends, it's your realtor Praveen Monga from Home Life Miracle. I will be talking more about my listing feature inside the house. Let's come and explore it. This is my favorite area. I love this white decor of the dine-in and the kitchen area. It has the white cots, white cabinet, and the entire feel is so positive. I love this kitchen setup. And the next gem is on the main floor. Another great feature about the house is an open concept and a connectivity. There is only 5 stairs to the second floor, and the best part is the master bedroom is on the main floor. Rare to find master bedroom on the main floor, and big windows, ensuite option, and a walk-in closet. I am quite sure everybody will love this feature. 10 feet ceiling. Yes, it's a 10 feet ceiling in the basement, along with 1 bedroom, full-size kitchen, 1 full washroom, and this place can be converted into a second room too. So this can eventually be your 2-bedroom basement with kitchen and a full-size washroom. You can't miss this. Though it's freshly painted professional deck, I call it as the extension of the house. It's an extra space where you're gonna have a good time with family and friends. It's a nice, beautiful, almost full-size deck. You will love it.